Suppose when I'm using website, suddenly you got one website will be have one crash issues. The what is the crash issue? Nothing but suddenly I'm using this website. I'm clicking this link. Suddenly the showing option name is called. If you are showing for a particular URL, will be redirect from the particular option. So you got by this URL. That mean by when I'm using website time, suddenly you got by one error will be occurred. Forbidden error. That mean by 403 error. What error means? The error means suddenly your website will be crashing data or updating for data files. So how can your website will be live? How can your website will be live? Unfortunately, your website file anything deleted or any file will be crashed. The showing for 403 forbidden error. That mean by related files will be missing totally. We're using on your cPanel access. So how can you activate your website? Log in cPanel, go to File Manager. In this public underscore HTML, upload the file, select your file. Which file is missing on this? Upload it. Now website will be refresh. Within second, your website will be active stage. Which one? Website will be active stage. Now, so if anyone open your website, they go to a particular page, will be show the customers. So this is a complete will be information will be called 403 forbidden error. This is very important. That is called any website file is missing. The page will be showing for not complete website showing for 403 forbidden error. 403 forbidden error.